Hello guys, good evening and welcome. It's Marco. Thank you for being here with me. On today's lesson, I'm gonna show you how to translate in Italian all the way you can greet other people. So let's get straight to the point. First one, if you want to say good morning, you're gonna say Buongiorno. Buongiorno. We've got after that, good afternoon. So you're gonna say Buon pomeriggio. Buon pomeriggio. Buon pomeriggio. Third one, we've got good evening. So you're gonna say Buonasera. 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 And then we have hello, that translates into salve. 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 Then we've got the famous one. So if you want to say hi, you're going to say ciao. And this one is actually good both you're meeting someone or you're saying goodbye, but in a really informal and friendly way. So I'm meeting you on the streets, I know you, and I say, oh, ciao. I'm leaving, but we know each other. You say, ciao. Ciao. Then, goodbye. You say, arrivederci. 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 If you want to say, have a nice day, you're going to say, Buona giornata. Buona giornata. Buona giornata. Buona giornata. We've got, have a nice afternoon. Buon pomeriggio. Buon pomeriggio. Buon pomeriggio. Buon pomeriggio. Have a nice evening. Buona serata. Buona serata. Buona serata. Buona serata. And then you can say, how are you? And then, so we translate this into come stai? Come stai? Come stai? Come stai? Or how's it going? You can say come va? Come va? Come va? Come va? Okay, so guys, let's say all together one last time, all right? So we've got buongiorno, buongiorno, buon pomeriggio, buon pomeriggio, buonasera, buona sera, salve, salve, salve. Ciao. Ciao. Arrivederci. Arrivederci. Buona giornata. Buona giornata. Buon pomeriggio. Buon pomeriggio. Buona serata. Buona serata. Come stai? Come stai? Come va? Come va? And then sometimes, if you want, you can try to mix them up. Like, ciao, come va? Ciao, come stai? Just remember, if you want to sound formal or at least polite, you're gonna use buongiorno, buonasera, or buon pomeriggio, or salve. And if you're meeting these people, right, these are the perfect ones to use them in a really formal way. If you're leaving, you're gonna say in a formal way, the best way to leave is gonna be Arrivederci. All right? While all the other ones we've said earlier, they're kind of informal. So if you want to sound friendly, you're meeting young people or people you already know, you can use the informal ones. But if you want to try, let's say, to maintain some distance and to sound a bit more polite and formal, Buongiorno, Buon pomeriggio, Buonasera, Salve, if you're meeting them. If you're leaving, Arrivederci. All right? Thank you very much for being here with me, guys. And I'll see you soon. Bye now. Bye.